Hey everybody, what is going on? It's been a long time since you guys have seen me on the old South Texas Banshee, right? So I'm gonna try to keep this as short and to the point as possible. I don't want to keep you guys. I know you guys are busy. You guys have a family life. You guys have a personal life you want to keep to. So long story short, I'm starting a new channel, guys. I've been working on it for a little while. I'm going to be doing how-to videos on some of my RC trucks. I miss giving to the channel. I miss giving back to the Banshee community, and just I miss helping in general. I like to help people out. I help a lot of you guys through text, phone calls, stuff like that. But I feel like I can do more. I may not have a Banshee shop anymore, but I'm into RCing, and there's people out there that could use my help in that. I'm not saying that I'm a professional. I'm not like a guru. I'm not the bomb or nothing like that. I'm just a guy taking time, to show you guys what I know, how to change parts. What are my plans? So I have a few different vehicles, These are not mine. These belong to a childhood friend of mine. Long time, known him my whole life. Jeff Villa out here in Cuero. Try to keep it short. Long story short, he bought these really cheap, got a great deal on them. They need some work. We're going to be doing an orange wide max. We're going to be doing some billet upgrades. We're going to be doing possibly some tires and wheels. This is a Haas. This one needs some axles put on it. There it is. This one needs some axles put in it. He needs a remote. I've got some spare remotes. We're going to do a servo upgrade on this one. We're going to be doing a servo upgrade on his X-Max. We're going to put a 2290 in there. This is my Wide Max. It's the actual Wide Max. It came with the Wide Max kit on it. This is the new version. I've upgraded the tires to the old Talon 2.0 tires off the Revo because I wanted bigger tires on it, so it looks pretty sick. Haven't ran this truck yet. Came with the black Wide Max kit. We're going to be swapping that over to the blue Wide Max kit. And we're going to be swapping that over to the blue Wide Max kit. I've got this red truck here. This one's also new. I haven't ran this one just yet. It was going to be a Christmas gift for someone, and then it fell through. So I'm going to hang on to it for a little bit and do some how-to videos on it. My plans are to do a video on every car, every truck that I have, and cover every subject, from changing that little simple wheel nut to swapping the entire chassis, everything, step by step, take it apart slow, screw by screw, screw sizes, screw locations, put it back together. I hope you guys are going to appreciate that. Now, these videos obviously are not intended for the Traxxas guru out there. I'm not one. I'm just showing you guys what I know. I want to help the guys that bought their brand new truck and have no clue how to swap a part. So we're going to get that done. I've also got another X-Max here. This one I got last year for my birthday from the family. I haven't ran it yet because at that point I had already thought to myself, you know what? I'm not going to run that truck until I get off my butt and I do some videos and I start helping the people out. So that truck, I'm using it on the channel. Let me show you guys something here real quick. There, you guys are going to have a good view. I'm going to be sure that you guys can see everything. I've got two monitors. I've got a monitor to see this. And I've got a monitor to see what I look like in the camera, if I'm in frame and all that good stuff. I really want to do a good job in these videos. My Banshee videos were, they were good. They helped a lot of people out. But I wish back then that I could have had a better camera setup or a cameraman. Now I got some booms. I got some lighting. The mic is not great yet. I'm working on a different mic. But hopefully I can show you guys some really good views, and bring you the best content that I possibly can on these. So, guys, I appreciate you hanging around. I'm about to run out of time here. I need to ask you guys for a favor. This is what I want. You're probably watching this on the South Texas Banshee channel. My new channel is going to be STRC, South Texas RC. If you would, go down below in the comments right now. Click on the link to the new channel, hop on there, subscribe, like, comment, tell me hello, tell me I don't want to see your channel, I don't care, hey, all comments count, right? I appreciate if you subscribe, help me get some subscribers, help me get going. It has no subscribers right now whatsoever. It's a brand new channel, I've never uploaded anything on it before, so if you could do that for me, I'd really appreciate it. And I have videos coming out starting on Monday, Wednesdays, and then Friday, 3 times a week for the next 2 months. After that, I'm going to try to maintain two videos a week, maybe more. It just depends. I stay very busy, but I feel like I can do this for you guys, for not just my old group out there on YouTube, but then you guys that have RCs out there. This is something I really want to try and do. So guys, I appreciate you listening. I hope you guys are well out there. Y'all take care. Y'all take care. I hope to see you guys around the channel, commenting, liking, subscribing. You guys have fun. Starting out with all how-tos. Not very many upgrades. Right now I want to cover the how-tos, then we'll get into upgrades. I may do some driving videos. I want to do driving videos. If I have the time, I'm going to throw out some driving videos too of all the cars and stuff I have like that. I may dedicate one video to going over what vehicles I own to show you what I have. So if I tried to name them right now, I'd leave some out. But that's it, guys. I'm going to let you guys go. Y'all have a great night, and I hope to guys. But that's it, guys. I hope you guys have a great night, and hope to see you guys around the channel. Thanks. Bye. But that's it, guys. I hope I see you guys around the channel, and I hope you guys have a great evening.